guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Sephora Play box for the month of June. So if you want to see what's in the box this month, then please keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, so this month's theme says Rock a Wave Beach. So super summery. Oh, it's like a carnival? Beauty Boardwalk. How cute. I like this. This is really cute. Alright, so let's get into the little bag that is in the box. This month it's like a little white bag and it's blue and pink. And it says hot, 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 like in the beach. So super summery again. The first thing in the little bag is from the brand IGK. We get this brand a lot in Sephora, and I don't know, I'm not a fan of the brand, but that's because I've only tried one hair product and it was like a gel, and it left my hair really hard, so I didn't really like it that much. But I don't know, this is a dry shampoo. I think we got a dry shampoo last month too, and like I said, I'm really not a fan of dry shampoo because curly hair just doesn't really need it. If you're a curly hair girl and you use dry hair shampoo, please tell me when do you use it, because I don't really see the necessity in it. I don't know, I could live without it. If you use it, please let me know when you use it and how you use it, because I don't know, I feel like it's more of a straight hair product, you know, and I don't know. But that was the first item in the box. The next item in the box is a perfume from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the Mon Paris perfume. Let's see how it smells. I actually really like that they give us like little perfume samples, only because when you're traveling, this is like the perfect perfume to take because it's really small, so it fits anywhere. It fits in your luggage, it fits in your purse, and you could just always retouch, so it smells good. Oh, this smells pretty sweet. I like this. Wow. I really like this. This is pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited that we got this because this might be my new favorite perfume, but I don't know. We'll see. I really like this. I don't like that it's half empty. Like, what the heck? I have like 3 more sprays and then it's done. This is pissing me off. The next thing in the box is from Clinique, and this is a makeup remover. I actually needed this because my makeup wipes are almost done. So this is pretty good. I'm pretty sure you just use this with like a little cotton wipe and you can remove your makeup. The next thing in the bag is from the brand Makeup Forever. And is this a concealer? Oh, it's foundation. Oh, this is cool. So they brought a foundation in the bag. I hope that it's my color. Let's see. Wow, it's actually pretty accurate to my color. This is the color that they sent me. It's probably like a little bit lighter. Not even. I'm pretty sure it's pretty accurate to my color, so that's pretty good. I haven't actually tried this foundation before. This is actually a good way to try it because you get a little sample, and if you don't like it, it's fine. It's little. You didn't buy a huge $40 foundation, so this is pretty good. This is in the color Y335. I'm not sure if this is like a matte foundation, but it says invisible cover foundation, so maybe it looks like a really flawless finish. This is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. The next thing in the box is from Too Faced, and it is one of their melted matte liquid lipsticks. I actually think I have some of these. I don't know if I have this color. This is in the color Queen Bee, so let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, this is a pretty color. It's kind of like a mauve-y purple pinkish. A little more purple than I would like, but it's nice, and I'm pretty sure it dries to a matte formula because it is one of their melted matte lippies. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and the ones I have are pretty good. They stay all day, so this is pretty exciting too. And then I believe this is the last thing in the back in the bag. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel. What the heck is this? It's like a little bottle. What is enzyme peel? Okay, let's read what this is. It says it effectively eliminates excess surface cells and toxins responsible for irregularities in texture and tone, and optimize penetration of all skincare products which follow. So you're supposed to put this in your hands when it's moistened and pour. Oh, so this is like a powder, and you have to put this powder in your hand with a little bit of water and then massage it on your face. I'm not sure if this is for your face or your hands. But this is definitely like a little powder inside. I don't even want to like, it's gonna fall. But it's a little powder and you're supposed to activate it with water, kind of make it into a little cream. I'm just not sure if it's for your face or for your hands. Oh, it says moisten face and hands. So I'm guessing it's for your skin. And it's just supposed to make sure that all the irregularities of texture is supposed to be gone. So this is pretty cool because I do have some texture on my face. So I'll definitely go ahead and try this out. I've never even heard of this brand. So that was different from the box this month. But yeah, those were the products for Sephora Play this month. They were pretty good. It's just that dry shampoo that keeps throwing me off because I really don't use that. But I mean, so far so good. Again, Sephora Play is only $10 a month and you get these little samples every month that you can go ahead and try out. And then if you like the actual product, you can go ahead and buy the full-size product. So anyways, that was the Sephora Play for this month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.